Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change profile picture on Whatnot application. So how to change profile picture on Whatnot application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Whatnot app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Whatnot app. Next, tap the account menu icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. And tap icon View Profile. And tap Edit Profile. Tap icon Camera. Tap Choose from Library. Choose Picture. Set Picture. After Finish, tap Crop. So that's it, this tutorial on how to change profile picture on Whatnot application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.